Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physics Regents. Start with a focused weekly plan and build in short daily practice sessions. Prioritize understanding of kinematics, forces, energy, and circuits rather than memorizing isolated facts. Solve past Regents questions and check solutions to learn common traps. Create a quick formula sheet and practice applying it to problems. Keep sessions short, review mistakes, and steadily increase timed practice to build confidence. Choose mixed practice focused on timing and error correction to boost your score. Begin each session with short warm-up problems, then tackle one timed section to mimic Regents' pacing. After scoring, spend time reviewing every wrong answer and rewriting clear, correct solutions in your notebook. Rotate topics to prevent boredom and strengthen weak areas like circuits or waves. Small daily efforts compound into steady improvement and exam day calm. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long study sessions because it keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, making hydration effortless while you focus. I use it between practice exams to stay refreshed and alert. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep a compact, well-organized formula sheet and practice using it actively in problems. Focus on units and unit conversions, always carrying units through calculations to catch mistakes. Practice interpreting lab descriptions and sketching setups quickly, noting uncertainties and sources of error. Work through data analysis questions, plotting and extracting slopes where needed. These habits make free response and lab-based questions far more manageable on test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.